Good morning and welcome to day 15 of Advent unboxing. With what we have now is with Missouri Star, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box, and Soft Square's B box and their A box. And it's so exciting. I'm going to start with Missouri Star. We'll do a quick wrap up because I didn't do it yesterday. And that would be the scrappy bag pattern, the snappy bag pattern in the snaps. We took a valuation of $15, $10 for the pattern, $5 approximately for the little snappy wristband snaps. And so that brings us in with a value over of what we paid of $35. Then the two ornaments from yesterday that completed the set that we got last year, so we have all four now. Same as last year, I gave a valuation of $15. So now that puts us up up 50 from what we paid originally for the box. All right, but let's look at day 15. I'm not sure. So let's open it up. Hold on, I might need a degree to get this open. Oh, nope, did it. I'm not sure. It's a can. It's got a needle. This is interesting. I'm not sure which. Must open this end because it's got, there we go, needles upright. See if we can't. Nope, maybe it's this end. Oh, I got the other end. And we have something inside here. These look like yes, for thread and bobbins and to put around the spools of thread and bobbins to keep them, the threads from, after you start it, you put those around. Ooh, these look like for your fingers. Nice. Oh, to keep them from unwinding and around bobbins. And these will work around bobbins. And these can go through that and hold into the spool of thread. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. I thought it opened the other way around, but what? Nice tin. I really like these. I have some and I'm always running short, so this is perfect. I am excited with this. There's so many different ones. I'm going to try them out. I can't I've tried these before. I've tried the other ones. These are a little new looking to me, but I think I have one from something else. I haven't used them much, and these are a little different than what I'm used to, but I can see that they pinch in, and you can put them, the bobbin on, and then put that in there, and then you can hold it up and grab them both so you have them at the same time. Matching bobbin and thread. This is awesome. Whoa! This is very, very cool. Oh, I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Nice. Very nice. All right, I'll put that aside and let's get on to soft squares. Let's go ahead with the A box, the one we just started, day 2 on the A box. Yesterday with the folder and the patterns and the enamel pin and the Steady Betty bridge, and well, I gave it a valuation of $32. So, and they had something similar, so I went, okay, I must be kind of spot on. So now let's, oh wait, before I open it, it actually feels like a calendar. I'm not sure, but it feels like a calendar. That's about all I can say. And we'll finish opening. No, it's Annie's book. Annie's quilting. Fat quarter quilts. Oh, how nice. This is awesome. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, get up here. I have seen this before. Look at that. There are awesome quilts in here. These are all fat quarter quilts. Nice. 9 great designs. There they are. Well, there's some of them. There's 7 right there. There's 6 that show up on the camera really well at the same time. This is great. Awesome. Whoa, knocking it out of the park again. All right, then we have another squishy, but no, not kind of. There's something else in here. Okay, let's open it up. This is from the B box from Soft Squares. And, ooh, the part that was squishy but not, it's a little Biscoff. My husband's really gonna love it. Unfortunately, it comes with gluten, so this is his. But he's gonna enjoy it. All right, day 2. Ooh, fat quarters. Speaking of fat quarters, we got fat quarters. Who doesn't love fat quarters? Yes. What do you do with them? Do you save them or cut into them? Oh, look. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Look, look, look. This beautiful green. Let's do it this way, I guess. There we go, and I can grab it better. And so we have this one, oh, look at this, and this one. So it looks like we've got 4 here. Oh, beautiful. This is wonderful. What a good haul today, right? Yes. All right. I'm full of joy. I hope you are. If you're not, go find it and spread it around. Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow.